Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Happy 2024, everyone. I cannot believe that it is 2024. It is January 2nd, and I started the new year very peaceful, very relaxing. I did go out on New Year's Eve, which I think this is my last year doing that. Like, I'm doing either house parties, dinners, hanging out at a friend's apartment over like anything else anymore, unless I'm like traveling for it. But I am never doing an event again. Not to say that it wasn't fun, because it was fun, but it's just not worth the price and like the hassle of doing that. You know, like, I don't want to spend $300 on a night out because it's just like not worth it. Yesterday I just hung out with some friends. I went to the beach, I walked around. It's actually been a little chilly, so I didn't actually like go to the beach to like tan and go in the water, but like I did a nice walk. We had dinner there. It was honestly really nice. And so today I am having not the Sunday scaries, but like the yearly scaries, end of year scaries, beginning of year scaries, where I'm like, holy crap, I have so much I need to do. And I kind of took last week to be a chill week. I worked a little bit, but it really wasn't much. I just relaxed and I used it because no one else is being productive, and my work involves meetings and talking to people, and no one's really online. So I took it to also kind of relax myself, and I think everyone deserves a break at the end of the year. So I don't feel guilty about it, but I just feel so stressed right now because I feel like I have so much I need to do, not only with work but with like personal life as well. I also want to start the year kind of with like a reset. Like, I want to schedule a facial, I want to schedule a massage, I want to schedule like a spa day. I have gift cards for it, so I'm like, I think that would be a nice way to start the year. I spent this morning cleaning my apartment. I worked out, I started my day right. The dishwasher is running, I made my coffee at home, and I am about to head out because I am going to get my nails done. I want to start the year with nice nails. This nail broke and this nail broke as well. And then I'm going to head to the beach and I'm going to work out of Soho House today. I am excited. Good morning, everyone. It is, I was gonna say Tuesday morning, but it's because Monday was New Year's, so it feels like a Tuesday, but it's actually Wednesday. I don't know if that like excites me or scares me because I have so much I need to do this week. I am working from home today. I have such a busy day. I'm just gonna show you my calendar pretty much. I have like no breaks at all. I filmed a morning routine this morning, so that was good. And I might try to reschedule a few of these calls if I can. But I did want to stack the day because I was like, okay, the rest of the week I don't really have that many calls. Like tomorrow and Friday I don't really have many calls. So I was like, I'll stack it today and then be able to do like deep work Thursday, Friday. And I'll probably have to work Saturday as well. I have been sitting at that desk for so long. I kind of want to go on a walk, but I just have so much I need to do. And I'm really tired, so I think I'm gonna make some matcha. Also is that I am spending the night, or I'm spending Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday in Brickell. And I'm dog sitting my friend's dog, so I like need to pack pretty much for a trip because I don't want to be going back and forth to my apartment. So now I'm like overwhelmed that I have to like pack for that, and I want to bring a bunch of food because I don't want to spend money. So I'm gonna act like I'm moving in. I'm gonna pack snacks, I'm gonna pack food, I'm gonna bring my meal prep delivery kits. It's gonna be a lot, but it'll be fun to show in the vlog of like me living in Brickell in Miami for the week or the weekend. Cheers, everyone. A nice full matcha to energize me. I wanted to thank today's sponsor, which is Squarespace. If you don't know, Squarespace is the #1 way to build a website, and now with the new year is the perfect time to revamp your website or start from scratch. Squarespace has templates for literally everything, whether you have an online store, local business, you want to show off your resume, you have a restaurant, you want to sell memberships, like literally anything. And I'm a big believer that every business and every brand should have a website. If you want to see a website built by Squarespace, you can head over to getrella.com because our entire website is built on Squarespace. And it's so nice because Squarespace gave us the ability to not only showcase our business, but to share our story. We wanted something that was very personal, and with their customizable templates, it worked out perfectly. And if you do want to get 10% off your first purchase, you can go to squarespace.com/Natalie Barbu or use the code Natalie Barbu. babe. So I moved. I'm just kidding. That was not funny. Anyways, I am dog sitting this weekend. My friend Catherine's dog while she is out of town. So I am staying in Brickell, which is nice because I never really come to Brickell unless I'm visiting her or I'm, you know, hanging out with her. And so I'm kind of having like a new routine, which I really like. I brought a bunch of food from my apartment. So I did bring like my own stuff because I am on my saving money train, you guys. Like I am saving money, I promise that. Brought some food from home so I don't have to like eat out even though I'm here and not in my own space, and I have a ton of leftovers and a ton of like different meals. So, and I do have to go to the office, so I'm headed to the office in a few minutes. I'll probably go in like an hour after my first call, and then I have a podcast today. I have a few other meetings. Let's see what's on the calendar. Oh, my meeting got canceled at 10 a.m. Okay. Podcast today at 11, and then I'm talking with our team and we're talking over our Q1 goals and like 2024 goals. And so that is at 12. It's gonna be an hour long. Then I have a break from 1 to 2, and then I have a fundraising meeting at 2. So a bunch of founders here in Miami that are fundraising are meeting, and we're just gonna, I guess, talk and network, which I'm excited for. And then I do have to film a sponsor. So this is on Instagram, and I posted, it's a Mean Girls sponsor, which I'm so excited for. I am so excited to see the new Mean Girls movie. I am also in my movie watching era because if you know me personally, one of my character traits is that I don't watch movies. Like I am not a movie girl, I am a TV show girl. I haven't seen any classics. I actually found the funniest TikTok talking about how if you're born to immigrants, like if your parents are immigrants, you miss out on a lot of pop culture references. I'm gonna insert the TikTok here because it's so funny.
You know what they don't tell you about having parents that are immigrants? Is that you're gonna miss a lot of pop culture references, bro. Like a lot. People are like, oh my gosh, you haven't seen Scarface? Oh my God, how is that possible? Dog, I was -8 years old when that movie came out. -8. How would I have seen that movie? You think my Nigerian parents put that on? That's like asking you if you watched Olamide Goes to London. The #1 hit Nigerian movie. You've never seen that? No way. Impossible. Hey, bro, I don't know what Star Wars is. I don't know. What is The Breakfast Club? All right, the oldest movie I've ever watched is The Land Before Time 4. All right, ask me about Five-O Goes West, Mulan. That's it. That's all I know. Those are only movies that, in The Lion King, those are only movies that exist. I'm sorry, guys. My parents are from Africa, guys.
But what that guy said is like exactly how I feel. Like I have not seen the classics because my parents have not seen the classics. I moved to the US when they were 18, and they didn't watch these things. So, you know, I can tell you about some like Spanish TV shows I used to watch when I was younger on like Disney Channel in Honduras when I would visit, and I would like try to find a way to get it when I was back home. Like I can tell you about that, but I'm not going to be able to tell you about, you know, all of these classics unless I watch them as an adult, which I have seen a few as an adult, but like I really haven't seen any movies. So the fact that I am interested in movies right now is huge. Like I've been to the movie theater like 4 or 5 times this year, which is more than I've been to the movie theater in the past like decade. I recently saw Anyone But You, and I thought it was so good. Like it really brought me back to the original rom-coms. I saw The Holiday for the first time this year. That wasn't at the movie theater, that was at home, but still. I saw the rom-com with Jennifer Lawrence and that other guy. I forgot what it's called. I'm like low-key interested in Saltburn, but also not. Like I'm like, am I gonna be disturbed or do I want to watch this? Like I'm not sure. Like everyone's talking about it, so I feel like I want to watch it, but I also don't want to be disturbed. I don't know what the vibe is. I do love Jacob Elordi though. I really want to watch The Hunger Games. I went to see Barbie. I don't know, I'm just like in my movie era. So Mean Girls I'm super excited for, and I'm getting to work with them on a partnership, which is so exciting. So I have to film that because they actually want it to go live today, which is a very quick turnaround. They asked if I could send it in today and then also film it today, or like send it in and upload it today. And the package just got here like 2 days ago. So I filmed a little like voiceover, like dubbing on TikTok of one of the Mean Girls quotes. I have 2 of them. The I'm sick. And then I have the, oh my God, I love your bracelet. Where's it from? Or the, you're so pretty. Thanks. So you agree, you think you're really pretty. My acting came out. My 9-year-old Natalie that was in acting and in commercials, you know, made an appearance on social media today. So that's my plan, and I'm just excited because this is the first weekend of the year of 2024, and I am just really motivated still. Like, the motivation has lasted. If you've been keeping up with my podcast and my videos, I've just said I've had a good feeling about this year, and it's not necessarily that like good things are gonna happen. I just think I'm going into it with such a positive mindset, and I'm not really having expectations on outcomes. I'm more so just like excited for the year. My friend's apartment, I needed to take Wrigley out, so we went on a WALK. Actually, we didn't really go on a full one. I just took him out to pee real quick. I will take him out again for a more thorough WALK. We did one this morning, but gotta exert some energy out of him. Also, this is just proof to me that I cannot get a dog because I am so busy and like I'm always out and about. Like, I feel bad that I don't even have time to play with him. Like, he was so excited when I came home and I just took him out to pee, and I have to come right back here because I have something due today, the Mean Girls sponsor. So I'm like, I am so sorry I can't play with you. Yeah, getting a dog for me is out of the cards until I have a husband and a house and like probably a family. I'm gonna show you guys what I go through when I do a sponsor. I feel like I used to show the behind the scenes of sponsorships, and I haven't in a really long time, so I'm gonna break down what happens when I get a sponsorship as an influencer, in case any of you are wondering. It starts with my manager, so she will send me a text message or an email. Nowadays it's just gone through text, it's a lot easier. She'll send me a text with the offer, so it's gonna say the brand name, the rate, the deliverables, and like the details, like if there's exclusivity or usage, and then also the brief. That's what she sends me. I accept if I think, you know, I want to do it or not. So the Mean Girls one and the Pilot pen, it's like the G2 pens. That's who's sponsoring it. These are the only pens I journal with. I don't journal in color, so I don't use like the pinks, but the black G2 Pilot pens are the only pens that I journal on, so it was a no-brainer for me. I have like 50 of these at my apartment because I ordered them in bulk from Amazon. It's just a perfect sponsor, and Mean Girls is one of my favorite movies. They really didn't give me that much information in the brief, so that's why I wasn't quite sure what to do. So I asked them for a concept approval, and my concept was like the in and out lists that are going around right now. And so I did a little voiceover of me, you know, reciting one of like the classic Mean Girls quotes, and then I'm gonna, you know, transition it, and I'm just gonna show myself writing an in and out list. So right now I'm on Rella and I'm looking at all of the details. So I see the brief, I see like the concept, I see like the link where I need to post everything, like everything's here, and I am going to write in my notes on this post in Rella what my ins and outs are for this campaign, because it has to be something like relevant to Mean Girls. Should I ask ChatGPT? Yep. Chat.openai. Good morning, everyone. I just worked out. I went downstairs to the gym, did a little arm workout. Now I'm going to head out and I'm going to take Wrigley on a little walk. Do you want to go on a walk? Do you want to go on a walk? You do. Okay, he's been so bored. I kind of feel bad because I've just been working all day, haven't I? We're going to go on a walk all the way around Brickell Key. So for those of you who don't live in Miami, Brickell Key is an island like right off of Brickell, but that there's a bridge connecting it, so you guys can see it here. We just walk along that island, and it's probably like, I want to say maybe like 2.5 miles total. But yeah, so we're gonna probably like 2 miles. We're gonna walk Brickell Key right now. My favorite walk, and I figured if I'm gonna go on a walk, I might as well take him. I'm recording on my phone because I don't have battery, or I don't have memory in my camera, so until I import some footage, I cannot record on my camera anymore. I am exploring Miami today. I don't really feel like socializing. I honestly just want to like explore and do my own thing. So I'm at this cute cafe that I have never heard of, I've never driven past, and it looks so nice. I looked up like cafes in Coconut Grove because I was going to go to a bookstore around here, and I found this one and it had really good reviews and it just looks so cute. So I'm going there to maybe grab some lunch, grab some coffee, and then I'm going to go to the bookstore and check out some new books because I just finished my second book of the year. And then I've just been so tired of my hair. I feel like I just like don't know what to do with it. Like, it's really long, it's growing in super thick, which is not a problem at all because I have been wanting my hair to be thick for so long. So now that it's like growing quickly and it's thicker and it's healthier, I want to get a little chop. Like, I'm not gonna go super short, but I kind of want it like right up to here, and I want to get some face framing layers. So I'm going to someone who's getting trained right now because it was half off and the salon was recommended. That was the only one today, and when I want a haircut I get very impatient and I usually book it the same exact day. So I think you'll be fine though, as long as the salon is good. And I'm always like, how hard can a haircut be? But knock on wood, because I don't want to jinx myself. Anyways, let's go and check out this cafe and then head to the bookstore. I just ran into a subscriber at the coffee shop and she was so sweet. She told me that she just watched my morning routine video, and I thought the food was really good. It was a cute spot, kind of tucked away from everything else. I'm about to head over to Books and Books in the Gables, actually, not the Grove, because I'm only 10 minutes away from there, and that one is huge and so beautiful and so nice. So we're gonna make the drive over and then I'm gonna get my hair We're back at my apartment. I finished dog sitting. I'm still getting used to my haircut. I do like it. I always feel so weird whenever I get it cut. This is the shortest I've had my hair in a really long time. I still wouldn't consider this super short. I've had my hair like up to here before, like up to my shoulder, and I hated it. So this is like longer than that, and this is like the shortest I would go. But I don't know, what do you guys think? And be nice, so. I'm like, what do you think? But you have to say that you like it. Back at home, like I said, and I think I'm gonna work from home today, but I do have a small group that I wanna go to later this evening at like 6 or 7:30. Also, side note, it's only 8 a.m. right now and I wanna start working by 8:30. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna do. But my car is disgusting right now. It has bird poop all over it. It's so gross. And so I'm thinking of going and getting a car wash today. Because it's literally so gross, and I've heard that if like bird poop stays on your car for too long, it can like mess up the paint. So I might go get a car wash, and then there's a Starbucks right where the car wash is, and I might just like work out of that Starbucks for the morning. I have a video that I need to edit, and I have a bunch of stuff that I need to do. So perhaps I'll do that. I don't have any calls until 2 p.m. today, so I think I might just go there, knock out some stuff, and get my car washed. Let's go.